Hello, class, and welcome. This is the official start and kickoff to the spring 2023 semester. This is your Professor Javier Blackfoot's course, and this is just a brief tutorial. So one of the things that I want everyone to do as you log into D2L, first thing you're going to look at your news feed. This is the main page, but I want everyone to focus within this video on the content. So I just clicked on the content tab, and I want everyone to get familiar, okay, with the actual table of contents. First thing that you want to do is you want to click on the Start Here tab under the table of contents. This gives my instructor information. It kind of gives also a brief bio, a brief background of myself as well. Then what you want to do is, and I recommend everyone to do this, once you get done looking at the Start Here tab, make sure that you go over to Student Success. So the question is, you're wondering, how do I ensure my success within this online course? So one of the things that you want to do is you definitely want to look at the Student Success and scroll down, and it just kind of gives you some points. Some very important things that you can comprehend here in terms of how are you going to be successful this semester. And everyone has a different technique when it comes to studying and completing their coursework. From there, I want to kind of emphasize the expectations. And so make sure that you go through the expectations. For every course that you take, there's going to be student expectations as well as instructor expectations. So what is expected of you as being students within this course? Make sure that you go through this tab, click on the expectations, and in week 1, what you're going to do is you're going to take a brief quiz. Make sure that you read the bottom of this. It's going to quiz you on the 10 P's, class expectations. So do not overlook this class. Make sure that you look into this regarding the 10 P's. From there, once you get done with that, I'm going to take you all briefly. You can look at the syllabus. There is a separate tab made for your syllabus, and your syllabus, you will be able to view that in PDF form. The syllabus is uploaded. And then also the required course materials. Look at that tab as well too. This is where you're going to find your textbook along with the PowerPoint slides. So just kind of briefly want to again welcome everyone as you will have a successful and productive and prosperous semester coming up. Want to remind everyone as well too, this happens to be a 7.5-week course. So it's a condensed course, or another word for condensed would be accelerated. Feel free, if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, is to reach out to me. And this will be effective on the actual first day of the course, which happens to be on Monday, January the 23rd. This is my contact information, my cell phone, as well as my email address. Once again, everybody, welcome again to the 2023 semester. This is Professor Javier Black, and I will see you all in week number 1 of this course. Take care.